Jai Hind students, today we will do lesson 5 of civics, gender and its inequality. I know you already know about gender as it is the identification of male and female. In our society, many people are living. If I ask you, how do you distinct between them? Definitely you will say according to their physical features. So here that is the first distinction between them. Now I am giving you two examples. If you are a boy and when you cry, have you ever heard by your family, don't cry because boys never cry? Or if you are a girl, your mother teaches you the domestic work from your childhood. Can you relate these examples with yourself? Definitely you will say yes. So it shows the two distinctions in our society about gender. First is based on physical or anatomical difference, which known as sex, while other is known as gender, which is based on the socially and culturally prescribed roles that boys and girls are made to follow. Gender stereotype. Stereotype means a fixed idea about a particular type of a person or thing which is sometimes not true. In our society, we can easily observe gender stereotypes in many ways, like pink is the girlish color or boys are good at maths. By the beginning, we are conditioned in this way in our families. Such examples rooted in our society and further leads to gender inequality. Later, it promotes many evils in our society, such as women are less educated, their decisions are not appreciable, they are meant for caretakers of the family, their work is counted unworthy, or they are less paid, and a list is endless. In our country, girls are worshipped as Devi, but on the other hand, they are counted as low status or their work is undervalued. So because of that, in 19th century, many reformers came in front to improve social status of women in society, like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, who tried to abolish sati system in our society, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar for widow remarriage, and Dayanand Saraswati to promoting women education. Likewise, in the 20th century, many reformers came in front to support women for their empowerment. Inequality in work. We will see here two aspects of inequality. First is women are supposed to be a caretaker or homemaker, which is often not valued because not paid. Second aspect is related with well-paying professions, where most of the jobs are designated by men. Even if the women are able to get the same jobs as men, but still they are less paid. Impact of gender inequality. For health and education, women are ignored due to the preferences for boys in their families. Their work is not counted as valuable and they are underpaid. Women are struggling for their self-esteem because they are getting unfair treatment in the society. Government efforts to remove gender inequality. Government is trying by constitutionally to give equal opportunities to men and women. Government is also trying to empower women's education. Government is also trying to set up several Anganwadis or child care centers in the country to establish women's to work. Over the years, with efforts of government, urban areas in India have witnessed a decrease in gender inequality. But in rural areas, it still require a lot of work to develop this.